Halo, kembali lagi dengan channel aku. Sebelum kita mulai ke video ini, kita subscribe dan like. Jangan lupa juga bunyiin lonceng yang di sana ya. Kasih waktu kamu buat subscribe and ngebunyiin lonceng itu. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Udah, ya ampun, makasih banget buat kamu yang udah nge-subscribe dan like dulu nih sebelum nonton. Nah, kali ini aku kita sharing-sharing aja buat kamu yang pengen dan baru nyoba dan baru mau nyoba kayak gambar graffiti. Ini di belakang aku udah kelihatan kayak ini tuh bekas aku gambar-gambar. Ada yang lagi soal yang ini. Ini aku alhamdulillah baru banget deket-deket ini aku juara pertama lomba Ladies on Wall. Hadiahnya dapet jeans dari Uniqlo. Makasih banget ya Ladies on Wall. Nah, aku di sini bakal munculin ke kalian teman-teman aku yang minta ajarin gitu ya. Padahal mah aku juga masih belajar, tapi ya udah aku kasih tahu. Lanjutannya apa sih yang diperluin kalau buat gambar itu? Pertama, kalau gambar itu tuh yang pertama sketchbook. Kalau sketchbook aku pakai sketchbook dari Lira, dari Kiki. Ya ini tuh Kiki, boleh apa aja. Kalau aku sih punya Kiki karena murah ya. Nah, abis ini aku mau kayak aku pakai apa aja gitu kalau gambar. Banyak banget yang ngomong kalau misalkan harus pensilnya yang bagus, harus video yang bagus, padahal nggak juga. Kalau aku pakai stabilo, kadang pakai stabilo, kadang juga pakai spidol. Kalau beli stabilo itu tuh harus jago-jago banget, soalnya kalau aku tahu tuh kemarin 10,5, tapi ini aku bisa dapetin stabilo dengan harga 8.000. Dan ini aku pakai Joico juga. Joico itu lebih murah, harganya 4,5. Kalau pengen high class banget yang kayak udah master graffiti itu biasanya pakai ini nih, Uniposca aku punya beberapa aja, soalnya ya you know lah. Ini ada biru dongker. Ini kalau nggak pakai Sharpie. Di sini siapa juga yang suka pakai sebelum kita mulai gambar itu tuh kita biasanya suka nyari font gitu kan. Nyari font di Pinterest, bisa nyari di IG. Pokoknya font kita tuh mau throw up, mau wild atau mau funky. Pokoknya kita cari-cari. Nih, aku ada referensi buat kalian. Aku jalanin. Nah, itu tadi adalah referensi buat kalian, dan aku bakal pilih yang ini nih. Soalnya ini kan temanya buat pemula, jadi yang mudah aja dulu. Pokoknya aku mau bikin yang simple tapi juga nggak mudah. Nah, lanjut aja ya.
In the morning, pop shells for a living and baby gon' smell blood trail every minute. Rogue wave and you niggas no fair. When I hit 'em, every time I see it big, I don't hesitate to kill 'em. Ain't nobody give a fuck about a rule. Either get diplomas or a tool. I'm a cool with my youngest no boo. When I spring in this cage, you fuckers fuck a gang affiliated with nothing but my name. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah. People be starving and people be killing for food with that crack and that spoon, but the wish motherfuckers they stay eating good, dropping waste, living good. Holding stick glocks, but you been a bitch, sucking thick cock, fuck a grip, walk, hit a strip like in Bangkok. Never ever see me ever trip, but a little brat see me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And and you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me. When I pull up in that Maserati, better duck for your brain spider on the concrete. I'ma hit you with that 4-5 bullet, hit your neck, run the bow tie, looking like a thriller film, bitch. I'ma go right back with the clip, and I know you be shaking. Don't test me or I'ma just click at your noggin. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Man, I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking pole. I'ma pull up with that stick and hit your motherfucking door. Yeah.
know you say you know me well, but these days I don't even know myself, no. I always thought I'd be with someone else. I thought I would own the way I felt, yeah. I call you but you never even answer. I tell myself I'm done with wicked games, but then I get so numb with all the laughter that I forget about the pain. Oh, you stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up. We're on the ground, we're screaming, I don't know how to make it stop. I love it, I hate it, and I can't take it, but I keep on coming back to you.
I know my friends, they give me bad advice, like move on, get you out my mind. But don't you think I haven't even tried? You got me cornered and my hands are tied. You got me so addicted to the drama. I tell myself I'm done with wicked games, but then I get so numb with all the laughter that I forget about the pain. Oh, you stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up. We're on the ground, screaming, I don't know how to make it stop. I love it, I hate it, and I can't take it, but I keep on coming back to you, back to you. Oh no, no, I just keep on coming back to you, back to you. Oh no, no, I just keep on coming back to you. And I guess you never know all the bullshit that you put me through. And I guess you never know, no.
Yeah. So you can cut me up and kiss me harder. You can be the pill to ease the pain.
Cause I know I'm addicted to your drama. Baby, here we go again.
Oh, you stress me out, you kill me, you drag me down, you fuck me up. We're on the ground, we're screaming, I don't know how to make it stop. I love it, I hate it, and I can't take it, but I keep on coming back to you, back to you. Oh no, no, I just keep on coming back to you, back to you. Oh no, no, I just keep on coming back to you, back to you. I just keep on coming back to you.
Diamonds all over my body, China all over my body. Got a bitch on money.
Bitch on Melly. 21. Diamonds all over my body. Self got a bitch on Molly. That's a nigga on body.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Belly truck laying the lane, blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain, fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi take your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi take your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah, Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Who got this motherfucker started? God. Who took your bitch at the party? God. I took your bitch in the party. God. Who that be flags and Martian? God. Who that on fleek in the cut? God. Who got them freaks in the truck? God. Then diamonds go hit like a bitch on a bitchy ass bitch. Cardi. Red bottom MJ, moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalking through your clique. I'm moonwalking in the 650 with the kid. Moonboxing this bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I keep the pump in the trunk. Bitch, if you bad, then jump. Might leave your bitch in the slump. Your bitch wanna party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying a lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset.
Your bitch wanna party with a savage. 21. Saint Laurent Savage in the Aston. Yeah. High end cars and fashion. 21. I don't eat pussy, I'm fast. Oh God. I'm a blood, my brother crippin'. Bitch, I'm drippin'. Ho, you trippin'. Told the waitress I ain't tippin'. I like hot sauce on my chick. Oh God. I pull the rubber off and I put hot sauce on her titty. 21. I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's tinted. 21. All these VVS's, nigga, my sperm worth millions. Oh God. The bitch so bad, I popped a Miley before I hit it.
Your bitch wanna party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying a lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Step in this bitch at your bitch. Fuck up a check in your bitch. Also the coupe in them inches. I fuck up a bag at the Fendi. I fuck up a bag in a minute. Who you know drip like this? Who you know build like this? I'm poppin' shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Poppin' at you. They say you basic. I flirted the rollie with diamonds. I flirted the paddock and bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm switching lanes in the range. Stop at the dick for the brain. Stop at your bitch for your main. Stop at the trap for the fame. I saw them Cardi B, Cartier frames. Your bitch wanna party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying a lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Yeah. Cardi put the pussy on offset. Cardi be brain on offset. I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe. Big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though. Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang. Drop the top and blow the brain. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change. Beat it up like piñata. Tell the job to close the curtains. Bad bitch make you nervous.
Chambean pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jolambo, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club.